So hello together. Now I would like to show you how fast and how easy it is to maintain such gel coat or a boat surface with SCHOLL Concepts marine products. We would like to show you the result before and after, so therefore I will put the tape. I'm going to use the black and white spider pad with its special spider pattern. And I'm going to use our heavy, high performance cutting compound M3. You should make sure to have all over polishing compound, all over the pad. Once the pad is new, it maybe take a little bit more material, but as soon as you have worked with the pad, it's going to work easy. Make sure to have everywhere compound. And remember, the surface is hot. We have around 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, the first thing, I apply compound all over with low speed. Afterwards, I'll put the speed up. So remember, it's one pad, it's one compound. And I'm going to show you how to achieve a higher gloss. Just put up the speed very fast and don't put any pressure on the machine. You can work it by a rotary machine. For sure you can use also an orbital machine, but this is going to work well. Very interesting. It's hot, but the compound is very easy to wipe down. So as you can see, you can finish a dark surface in one step using an orbital machine, using the M3, using the spider pad black and white. And see the result before and after? I am sure you will like it.